Welcome to my honest review of Numan, an online platform dedicated to providing solutions for alopecia. If you've been experiencing hair loss and considering treatment options, you're probably wondering whether Numan is the right choice for you. I'll take you through everything from the registration process to the effectiveness of their treatments. First, Numan offers a simple, streamlined approach. You start by filling out a medical questionnaire on their website, which is reviewed by professionals to personalize your treatment. This is convenient because it eliminates the need for an in-person consultation. Now, let's talk about the treatments themselves. Numan offers various products for hair restoration, including topical solutions, vitamins, and even prescription medications. One of the most popular treatments is finasteride, which is FDA approved for male pattern baldness. Numan also provides minoxidil, which is known for stimulating hair growth. While I appreciate the convenience of receiving these products delivered to your door, I did notice that the packaging could be improved for a more premium feel. The results with Numan are mixed. In my case, I did see some improvement in hair density after a few months, but it wasn't a miracle. It's important to keep realistic expectations. Treating alopecia takes time, and not everyone will experience dramatic results. But for those looking for a hassle-free, online solution to manage their hair loss, Numan could be a solid option. However, the one downside I experienced with Numan was their customer service. While the website is easy to navigate and the ordering process is simple, I did find it difficult to get quick responses when I had questions about my treatment. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it did leave me feeling a bit frustrated at times. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Numan is a great option for those looking for a convenient, online solution to hair loss. If you're open to trying prescription treatments or over-the-counter options, it's worth giving Numan a shot. Just remember to manage your expectations and understand that results may take some time. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.